Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your crypto mechanic right here, and with a great excitement I'm introducing to you guys the phase 3 of our free crypto giveaway to our lovely community. In case you are confused or in case you are viewing our channel for the first time, we are actually celebrating the fact that we just hit a new milestone today. Alright, so I say today because recently we have been celebrating the fact that we hit 5,000 subscribers, but today we hit 6,000 subscribers right here on our channel, and with a great excitement we are now introducing to you guys the phase 3 of our free crypto giveaway to our lovely community. In case you don't know, we are actually going to be giving away free crypto to our lovely community for 10 consecutive days. This means that we are coming up with phase 4, phase 5, phase 6 and up till phase 10 of this free crypto giveaway to our lovely community. It is very easy. We are making use of Binance accounts, and also we do use Bybit accounts, but regularly we are basically based on Binance accounts to give away this free crypto. So watch out for this video because I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to claim free crypto within your Binance account using the code that I'm going to be exposing to you guys right here. In a total, we are giving away 3,000 BTC coin to our to each and every member of our community who is participating on this. And remember, the code that we are going to be giving you through this video is only going to be lasting for 24 hours. So in case you have missed out on this particular video, you just need to watch out for the next one that's going to be dropping, because after 24 hours this code will no longer be valid and you can no longer use it to redeem the coin that we are going to be redeeming right here on this video. So watch out for more video, because the earlier you join each phase, the better and the higher chances that you are going to be able to claim this free coin that we are giving back to our lovely community. So when you look over here, let me show you guys something right now. Over here guys, on our YouTube channel, when you look over here, you can see that we just hit 6,000 subscribers today. So I'm very happy making this video today, because with a great excitement, it is not an easy thing that we just reach 6,000 subscribers right here, and it is only possible because of you watching our videos right now. So in celebration of that, we are giving away free cryptocurrency to our lovely community. And also over here on our Telegram channel, we just hit about 5,300 subscribers right here on our Telegram channel, and with a great excitement also, that is one of the reasons why we are giving out this free crypto to our lovely community. In case you don't know what this YouTube channel is all about, this channel we only give you the opportunities to make money in the crypto space for free without having to make any single investment over it. So basically, we expose you to all the crypto related opportunity, airdrops, and a lot of testnets that you need to participate on for you to be able to make money in the crypto space for free. And remember, over here on our Telegram channel, we dish out a whole lot of information that's going to help you make free money in the crypto space without spending even a dime over it. So right now, let's go back to Binance accounts and get to learn how we can be able to earn this free crypto right here on our Binance account without having to make any single investment over it. So to get started, you need to have a verified Binance account. So if you don't have a Binance account, you should go ahead and download the Binance account from Play Store or Apple Store. I'm very sorry to some of our US fans or some of our US citizens who are currently enjoying the product of this channel. You may not be able to try out the claiming of free crypto that we are going to be claiming on this video, but I have a suggestion for you. If VPN is allowed over there, you should go ahead and try using our VPN to change your location and go ahead and claim this free crypto right here. So right now, let's proceed with the video. So right now, to get started on claiming the free BTC coin that we are giving out, you should simply go ahead and click over here on this button right here. So a lot of people who have been watching our video should know how to do this by now, but we just need to repeat the process so that our new viewers or newbies in the crypto space can also learn and proceed to claiming and celebrating with us. So right now, when you click over here on this button right here, this is going to be showing you a whole lot of things, but the button that you need to click next is over here. You need to click over here on the red packet. All right, so right now let's click on the red packet together. So over here, this is the next thing you're going to be seeing. So over here, you need a code that you need to paste right here before you can go ahead to click over here on the claim button to claim yourself free BTTC coin. Over here now, you can see this is the code right here. So all you need to do right now is simply go ahead and copy this code, write it down, then go to the Binance account and follow my procedure to get over here get to write down this code right here and proceed with your claim. Remember, we do actually create two code. This means that you can actually claim 2 times. And remember, the second code that we are creating is actually going to be dropped on our Telegram channel. So do well to check out our Telegram channel to get the second code that you can paste right here again to claim even more coin apart from the one that I'm going to be claiming right here on this video. So right now, let's proceed. So once you just paste this code right here, then you go ahead and click on this claim button right now. So once you just click on the claim button, then you need to simply proceed by clicking on this open button. But before that, you can read this up. You can see thanks for celebrating with us. So we really appreciate having you on our channel. So if you haven't joined us yet, go ahead and join us, because a lot of goodies do come with this channel. So right now, let's proceed on claiming this token right here by clicking on the open button. And once you just click on the open button, boom, you just receive free 2,500 BTTC coin right here on your Binance account. And remember, you can view your reward by clicking over here to see your reward detail. Remember, this coin you just claimed right now still has a very little value, but remember, with time the price of this coin right here is gonna rise until it's gonna get to around $1. All right, and when the price of this coin finally reaches $1, you are gonna be left with $2,500 right now on your Binance account. All you need is patience, and remember, in crypto anything is possible, and the price of this coin could possibly reach $1 if enough patience is invested in this project. All right, so thank you guys for watching the video to this point, and I believe if you have gotten enough value out of this video, do well to follow us, because the phase 4, phase 5 till phase 10 of this free crypto giveaway is going to be dropped right here on this YouTube channel. So if you haven't subscribed yet, do well to subscribe and do well to follow us up, because a lot of opportunities are being exposed right here on this YouTube channel, all for you to benefit. So thank you for watching the video to the end, and I wish to see you guys on my next video that's gonna be dropped very soon. Thank you, and enjoy the rest of the day. Peace.